How to check recent activity on Android phone. Hey everybody and welcome back. You can check your recent activity on your Android phone by following up these steps. So let's just get started. Head over and open up your phone's settings for that. And once you open up your device's settings, what you can do is you can go over and check your Google account activity. So scroll down and tap on Google. And once you tap on Google, you can just go over and select the option for managing your Google account. So you can go to all services or directly tap on your account and go to manage your Google account. Like this on your screen, and once you open it up, you can just go over and go to the data and privacy tab. So go over and select the option for data and privacy and tap on it. And once you tap on it, this site opens up. From here, you may just go over to the history settings available and you can tap on Wave and app activity, or you can even look out for your YouTube history and your timeline. So for now, if you want to view your Wave or app activity, tap on that. And once you tap on Wave and app activity, it will open up that on your page. Here you can browse your history. So you may scroll down and look out for your activity here. You can see and delete it. You can tap on this manage all Wave and app activity. After you tap on it, here you will be finding your history. So these are some of the history available. You can just go over and scroll down and look for it here. You can look out for individual history for different applications here from this section. You can just go over and filter it out as well and view it up. And that's it. So you can select a web product and tap on apply, and that way you can view it up. So this is one of the method available if you'd like to check your recent activity on your Android phone. Apart from that, what you can do is you can go over and see your browsing history specifically as well. For that, you can open up the Chrome tab. And once you tap on the Chrome, you can tap on the three dot in the top right corner. And from there, go over to the option called History. And once you select History, it will show you all of your recent activity on your Android phone. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method. For that, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.